You're using SuperOffice to make the relationship between customers effortless. But what about the efforts that go into managing their call details? Integrating SuperOffice in KrispCall, you don't have to worry about them at all. It syncs customer contacts as you create them, updates call logs directly inside SuperOffice, and even lets you initiate customer calls and send them SMS within the CRM. Here's how you can set it up step by step. Log in to your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, navigate to Integrations, search for SuperOffice, and click Connect. Next, you'll be redirected to log in to your SuperOffice account. After logging in, the integration completes successfully. With this, you can customize integration settings as you prefer. In General Settings, enable or disable data sync options for contacts and notes. Then, in Workflow Settings, select specific log options to sync during calls and SMS. Next, in Connected Numbers, add one or more numbers for call and SMS to be used in integration. Now that you've configured sync settings as you need them, start creating contacts one by one or import them using a CSV. Then head over to your SuperOffice account and check that the contacts have been synced without duplication. With contacts ready, calling them becomes simply effortless. All you need is to install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser. Then, beside the number, click on the KrispCall icon, choose the call option, and the dialer opens instantly for you to talk to your customers without leaving the CRM. And the call logs syncs right in the call activities under each contact, while the call's recordings are effortlessly accessible in the full call logs as links. Sending them SMS also becomes very easy. After clicking on the KrispCall icon, just select the SMS option. As the dialer opens, type your message and send it. Both the sent and received SMS logs sync to activities right away. And don't worry about missed calls either. The links to voicemail recordings syncs as links for you to listen to them and take immediate action right inside SuperOffice. With SuperOffice integrated in KrispCall, managing customer relationships not only becomes effortless, but the interactions with them stay organized and accessible in a single place at any stage. Visit KrispCall.com and set up the phone in your SuperOffice today.